Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're digging into a piece of gear that really changes the game for small team live production. We're talking about the Datavideo HS-1300.
It's a fascinating bit of kit. Our mission here is to show you how something you can carry in one hand basically democratizes a workflow that used to require a whole production truck.
It's an all-in-one mobile studio, and that's the core concept, right? Total convergence.
Exactly. It handles the switching, the monitoring, the streaming, and the recording, all inside one box, which just eliminates all that complexity you'd normally face in the field.
That is the key takeaway. Field production used to be this nest of cables in 4 different boxes.
A total nightmare.
So let's start with the feature that really ties it all together, which is that built-in H.264 encoder. The older HS-1200 was good, but this is what it was missing.
This is where everything gets, well, dramatically simpler. For anyone listening who's still relying on external gear, having that encoder built right in, it immediately solves the pain points of setup time and, frankly, failure points.
No extra box to power or connect?
None. And if it's doing all that works, switching, monitoring, streaming, and recording, you might worry about performance.
Yeah, does it get bogged down? Can it handle all that at once?
It's designed specifically for that simultaneous workload.
Yeah.
You hit one button to set up your SD card recording and your stream, and it just works. No performance dips.
And it supports modern standards, I see. SRT streaming protocol.
Yeah, and it integrates seamlessly with DV Cloud. That's critical for making sure your streams are high quality and, actually get where they need to go reliably. It makes it perfect for a live concert or a seminar.
Or even sports, anything that needs a quick turnaround.
Absolutely.
But okay, none of that matters if you can't get your cameras and computers plugged in. The connectivity on a portable unit is always my first question.
And it's impressive for this size. You get 6 video inputs. Total 4 are HD SDI and 2 are HDMI.
That's a very strategic mix.
It is. The SDI gives you that broadcast quality standard, for long cable runs from your main cameras. And then the 2 HDMI ports are perfect for a laptop with slides or other consumer gear.
And what about audio? I see XLR inputs.
2 balanced XLRs, yes. So you can get clean audio from professional microphones. And for outputs, you're looking at 3 HDMI and 2 SDI.
And those are assignable, which is huge.
It is. You can send whatever you need to them, your main program feed, a preview feed for what's coming next, or just the multi-view for the operator.
Which brings us to that massive 17.3-inch screen built right into the lid.
That screen is really the control center. The sheer real estate is the benefit. It's not just about the resolution, which is good at 1600 by 900.
It's about seeing everything at once.
Exactly. You see all 6 of your inputs, your DSK status, your keying controls. It completely gets rid of the need for an external monitor rack. It's genuinely self-contained.
So that leads us right into the production tools. This is what separates a basic web stream from something that feels like, actual live TV.
This is the secret sauce. You have 2 upstream keyers. For anyone listening, that means you have full professional-grade green screen capability, real chroma key.
And below that, the downstream keyers, the DSKs.
2 of those as well.
Yeah.
And those are for your graphics, dropping in lower thirds, titles, logos, that kind of thing, quickly and easily.
And there's a picture-in-picture function, which is super useful.
1 PIP, yeah, and you can assign it to any of those 4 keyers, so you can have a commentator in a box over the main action, for example. Plus, any input can be used as a still store.
So let's wrap this up. You've got professional tools like dual chroma key and H.264 streaming, all in one portable box. What's the bottom line?
The bottom line is that for $4,398.90, you get a device that combines all of this. It truly democratizes a workflow that used to cost tens of thousands of dollars and required a whole team.
So the convergence of the switcher, the monitor, the recorder, and the streamer into one hand-carry mobile studio, it just fundamentally changes who can produce high-definition live content.
It does. And here's a final thought for you to chew on. When professional quality becomes this simple and this self-contained, does the line between a massive field production and a sophisticated small mobile event even exist anymore? Where does that distinction start to just vanish?